All right, welcome to my video. Maziwhyte here, and if you're watching me for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, now in this video today, I'm gonna be looking at a simple topic. What is affiliate marketing? All right, what is affiliate marketing? Because I come to discover that uh, um, a lot of people doesn't know what affiliate marketing is, and because they don't know what affiliate marketing is, they don't know how to leverage uh, the opportunity, all right, to better their financial status, all right. And like I said, I often say affiliate marketing is about the best way that you can start and create income online, all right. It's about the best way that you can build a business, create a business for yourself without spending anything in the form of uh, inventory or investment, all right. And what is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? All right, now I'm just going to go straight to the definition, all right, before I make further explanation. Now, affiliate marketing is simply a way that you earn commissions, all right. You earn commissions by simply promoting other people's product, all right, and services. And majorly it is done on the internet in today's world, all right. Formerly it used to be salespeople, or what we call affiliates, go from door to door, knock on doors, show people what product they are marketing, and every time they make a sale, they earn commission. So it's based on performance, all right. But in today's world, the internet has literally transformed everything. So the bulk of affiliate activities happens on the internet, all right. So what it is this: you sign into affiliate platforms and or affiliate programs, all right. You sign into affiliate programs, and one thing is this: in today's world, virtually every business is run on the internet. And because every business is run on the internet, every business that runs on the internet today have affiliate programs, all right. Every business that is done on the internet today, I bet you, has affiliate programs that anybody could go sign up and promote those products and simply earn commission. It's as simple as that, and it's so phenomenal, all right. And if you're watching me out there, you can leverage this opportunity to create income for yourself. And the amazing thing about affiliate marketing is that you can work from anywhere in the world. So long as you have internet, you have your computer, you have your debit card, you have your phone, you can work virtually from anywhere in the world and just make your money, all right. And there is no limit to what you can promote on the internet, all right. There's no limit. And when we talk about product or offers, most times affiliate offers come in the form of digital forms, all right. We're talking about info products. They are not physical product that you can touch. They are digital product, all right. All right, they are created on the internet. They are digital product, all right. And it doesn't mean that there are no physical product that also have affiliate program. There are also physical products that could be promoted by affiliate, all right. So depends on what you want to promote, all right. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the chances are you can promote physical product, or you can promote digital product and services, all right. You can also promote services, and you can do all from your bedroom without leaving your bedroom. That's the fantastic thing about affiliate marketing, and I tell you, it's a beautiful one. For me, over time, I've been able to leverage this to create a business for myself, All right. And all that you need when it comes to affiliate marketing is to just get the training how to do it. All right, how to build your web pages, build your landing page, write your emails. All right, just minor skills that you need to get and just promote this product on the internet. Don't forget, I said affiliate product can come in the form of physical product or digital product or services. All right, and you don't need to involve yourself with all you need to do is promote them. You wouldn't need to handle them, the issue of customer care, the stress of attending to a customer or answering questions. They are not there. All you need to do is promote these offers. All right, and the companies involved or affiliate platforms involved would finish up the marketing process. All your own portion, your own side of the business is your commission is just going to be there for you. All right, it's a beautiful one. So if you're looking for a way to add something or augment your income, change your lifestyle, improve on your living and side money, think about affiliate marketing. It's a beautiful one, and you can work from anywhere in the world. It has no limitation. All right, you're your own boss. You are your own boss, and you work when you want to work, you sleep when you want to sleep. You have time for your family, you have time for everything that you want to do. I tell you, it's an amazing one. I do it and I earn affiliate commissions in thousands of dollars. All right, and then if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, because I know that somebody out there must be having this question in his or her mind, that how do I do affiliate marketing? In this video or below this video, I'm leaving a link to a training that's going to hold you by the hand and teach you how to do affiliate marketing. I tell you, this is about the best training in the whole world, because I've had other trainings, I've looked into them, I've used them, but not like the 72 IG implementation system, not like this one. It's a guru training. I tell you, it's a guru training. It would hold you by the hand and teach you how to do affiliate marketing, and also give you sample web pages. All right, like your sample email copies, templates, pre-sale pages, teach you how to do Instagram ad, Facebook ad, and to write your ad copies. I tell you, the program, it's a killer. Just click on the link below this program, below this video. Go check out the training for yourself, get the training for yourself. And thank you so much for listening and for being there, for watching my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Leave a comment, all right, and hit the notification button. God bless you for being there. Thank you so much.